Hello friends, in this video we will see how to create a pivot table. In this example I have taken one sample data as you can see here, which has some product ID, product name and the sales as per month. So what we will do, we will prepare one pivot table of this particular sample data. So first what we have to do, we have to select this whole table and then go to the ribbon, insert, click on that, and there is a pivot table option here. So you click on it, you will get a pop-up which will ask for the table or range that we have already selected. And then there are two options where we have to place the output of this. So one is new worksheet, second is the existing workbook. So if we click on existing workbook, we can provide the location of any of the worksheet where we want to place the pivot table. So for this video we will take a new worksheet. Click on OK. So what it will do, it will create a new worksheet with a pivot table icon and some tables here. So as you can see, this will provide the column name of our table, which are product ID, name, sales and month. And here we can see four areas where we can drag these fields and we can get our required report. So for example, in this case, if we want to see the monthly sales, so what we will do, we will drag and drop this and then sales in the value. So what it has does, it has provided us a monthly sales of a product of all the products including 1 and 2. And in case if we want to see for product 1, so we can put the name of that product into filter and then we can select product 1 and click on OK. Then it will provide us the monthly sales of product 1. Similarly, if we can select product 2, so it will provide us the monthly sales of product 2. Similarly, if you drag and drop from filter to rows, it will give us another view. So based upon our requirement of our report, we can play with this pivot tables areas. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it.